Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a password field in Bitform. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the password field. Drag and drop the password field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the password field settings. The label option allows you to set a name for the field label that will be displayed on the front end of the form. Subtitle is used to add additional information to the field. You can also add a subtitle for the password field from here. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. The input icon option allows you to add a symbol or image within the input field. The helper text option enables you to provide short information about your input field, including any input restrictions and formatting requirements. Here, set a regular expression pattern that effectively matches the input value field. The required option makes a form field mandatory and lets you customize the error message. You can show or hide the asterisk symbol by clicking this option. You can also choose the position of the asterisk symbol for the required field, before and after the label, on the right or left of the field. If you enable this option, the password field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the password field will be visible. The read-only option allows visitors to view information without editing it, and this option ensures that important details remain accurate and unchanged. The disable option prevents users from entering or modifying any information in the form, ensuring that the form data remains accurate and unaltered. The validation option enables you to make your password strong, helping to prevent weak or easily guessable passwords, and reducing the risk of unauthorized access or data breaches. Here, you can also set minimum and maximum limits for the password lengths. The unique entry option ensures that each form entry is unique and it helps to prevent duplicates. You can also set a custom error message that will be displayed if an entry is not unique. Then click on the Update button. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.